Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you wanted to make your own espressos at home, check out this one by CHENGVEY.
The flavor of the espresso comes out so delicious. I love that this espresso machine delivers on flavor, delivers on technique. It really is easy to use. I love that the espresso shots are pre-infused. This technology is low pressure, making sure you get the maximum absorption of your espresso. It comes out very delightful. You have this rich crema, that golden reddish hue of froth right above the espresso. The flavor's there. I also like that it has a cold brew setting, so I don't have to water down my espresso shots. And the steam wand is really easy to use to get that froth, to make cappuccinos, and that really adds to my hot drinks. I also like that you can control the steam wand as far as the pressure. It has this really cool pressure gauge in the front to show you the pressure of the extraction of the espresso. The wand rotates at 360 degrees. The water tank is removable and easy to fill, and it holds 40 ounces of water. And the top of the espresso, it actually works as a warmer, so you can dry your utensils afterwards quickly, or you can pre-warm your cup or set your cup on there to keep it nice and warm. The espresso machine is made out of stainless steel, and I like that it's corrosion resistant, and it's also very easy to clean and looks super classic.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.